So here we are in Perry Street, home to Crocket Jones Factory, and it can be a little bit tricky parking, but there are spaces. This is a Saturday morning around 10:30, and yeah, there are cars. You can see there are spaces, so you can find somewhere to park, no problem. So yeah, crossing over now. Look, factory shop 50 yards, and this video will be useful to you because I walked right to the end of the street and I couldn't see. I didn't. My maths not very good. I couldn't work out what 50 yards was, and I ended up going to the end of the street. Now, so let's just show you where the entrance is. So we'll go up Perry Street here, the side of the factory. And here we are, here's the entrance, and you go in here. And here's the entrance, and you go up some stairs. Here we go, for Crocket Jones Factory shop, and there's the stairs.